ever watched a tutorial and thought, wow, I feel like I know this presenter already? That feeling didn't happen by accident. Today we're going to help create your own signature video style, one that makes your content instantly recognizable and builds trust with your viewers. Why style matters. A coherent style builds credibility and trust, making learners more likely to stay engaged and return for future content. The style you choose should enhance engagement through consistent visuals, pacing and delivery, making your tutorials easier to follow. Defining a style template also speeds up production, reducing the number of decisions you need to make while recording or editing. Beyond functionality, your style supports your personal branding, becoming a recognizable part of your identity across YouTube, Moodle, and other channels. Think of your video style as your teaching signature. It's how learners recognize you even before they hear a single word. Core elements of a signature video style. A signature video style has several essential elements that you should define in your own style guide. Visual identity is key. Your background should be neutral and consistent, whether you use a green screen to overlay a designed backdrop, apply soft color gradients, or film in a simple, tidy home setup. Frame your shot from the chest up and maintain eye contact with the camera to build connection and trust. Slides and graphics should clarify or emphasize points, not serve as decoration. B-roll should be minimal, functional, and always purposeful. Audio delivery is equally important. Your voice should be clear, calm, and authoritative, yet approachable. Music or sound effects are optional and should remain subtle, used only to reinforce transitions or highlight key moments. The overall tone should be educational, motivational, and empathetic, never hype-heavy or overly sales-focused. Content structure matters. Begin with a hook that captures attention in the first 5 to 10 seconds. Teach first and market second. Each tutorial should stand alone, with YouTube serving as an entry point. Break complex content into digestible segments and use visual pedagogy, slides, callouts, and graphics to enhance comprehension. Audience positioning defines your style. Know who your target audience is, whether they're teachers, instructional designers, or adult learners, and consider how you want them to feel, whether empowered, confident, or curious. Reflect on the expectations they bring to your tutorials and shape your content to meet them. Finally, consistency ties everything together. Repeat colors, fonts, camera angles, and slide formats across your videos. Even small details like text size or bullet style contribute to recognition. Reinforce professionalism and make your signature style unmistakable. If you'd like to see my visual style sheet, visit the free mini Moodle course linked below. It contains more information on this topic as well as a template style sheet. I've linked it through a Google search result so that Google can learn to recognize and rank my pages higher over time. It isn't a trick or a hack, it's simply good SEO practice. By enrolling in the free mini Moodle course and subscribing to this channel, you'll stay up to date on my upcoming Udemy course, where we will go deeper into using video effectively in online learning. Your signature style is more than aesthetics. It's your educational identity. When you define it deliberately, every video that you create reinforces your authority, connects with your audience, and elevates your impact. Take the time to create it, and it will serve you for every lesson, every course, and every YouTube video that you produce.